At this point, ladies and gentlemen, by calling the Honorable Statue Akit Biebersmith, Governor of the Province of Abra, for the opening remarks.
Thank you so much, Sir. Our honored guest, General Magalong, and Ms. Magalong, of course, our Provincial Director, Ben Yunsan, Ms. Susan, fellow elected officials, CCATT headed by Manampura, of course, our Congresswoman, baka na po naman nalimatak ng mundo, and our Provincial Director, Pumalet, I call her the little big lady of Abra. Torre Luis Subasit, ako sinimpan ng Provincial Abra. And of course, Mary Barcelona, government officials, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, apo ka na kayo. Tonight, I'm honored to welcome you all to this very special occasion we are celebrating. And the brand new pasasalamat ni General Magalong. The great poet Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, the purpose of life is to be useful, to be honorable, to give, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and you have lived well. By these standards, General Magalong is certainly leading a life well lived. Tayo po ay nagpapasalamat at tayo pinamulakan ng ating magiting na panahing ipangdangal sa gabing ito, General Magalong. Para siya mabigyan natin ng karapatang parangal at pagkilala. Alam po ninyo, in all these years that I've been a governor of this province, one of the many things that I've always been grateful for and which I've always considered one of the plus factors of this thankless job is the opportunity of meeting and working with great people. People who remind us that sincere and excellent public service is not at all impossibility. It's not at all impossibility. And more importantly, people have shown us what we can become. We never lost faith in us as prayers. Refused to give up on us. It made us realize that indeed we can do what others thought we couldn't. I was indeed blessed. The province of Abra has indeed been fortunate to have had General Magalong as a leader. General Magalong, on behalf of the province of Abra, maraming salamat po. Agyaman kami unay ako. Your legacy is in all of Abreños. You have shown us who we can be and what we are capable of if we stand united and resolute. But let me tell you, the hardest part is still coming. Na kayo ang kalugar ng Abra, sustainability, and pinang-mantener na kapya. That will be the hardest part. Kada tayo matag-Abra. Not because gumawa ni General Magalong, lipatan tayo manin sa pinagkakapyan. But I warn you, when General Magalong will come back here, he's gonna be the chief of police. That station is gonna be a 3-star general. So let's sustain this peace. Mantener tayo kapya in the probinsya ni Abra. Amuyo ako, I cannot find a lot of words to describe what you've done, General Magalong. But the simple word, I believe, is enough. You are the best. Thank you. May God bless you, sir.
Thank you, Governor Bersamin. Punto de kunanya ang Gobernador Rabo. Dito'y probinsya ni Abra. Masapol nga dinay lungalong ni General Magalong akapya dito'y probinsya ni Abra mantenerin tayo saan tayo nga sublyanan pa'y tinapalabas. Palakpakan tayo ako ni Jai Nasaon, Gobernador, hindi makakamantener, hinilak kentaw na di probinsya ni Abra kita patay iti ima na iti kakailan nga Abreño.